Hi gang, we're going to do this problem by the limit process. Remember, no shortcuts on this. You have to plug it into this formula. So the first thing you have to do is create the f of x plus h. So wherever you see an x, you have to replace it with x plus h. So you literally put an x plus h where the x is. You get this guy here. This is going to create a complex fraction. Okay, there's the f of x plus h. Now I'm going to subtract f of x all over h. Okay, so that's the setup. Now you have to do the algebra. So the LCD here is x plus h. So I'm going to go ahead and balance this. So this needs an x to both sides. This needs an... Oh, that didn't go over well. Okay. I guess I have to watch my strength here. Apparently I can break colored pencils quite easily. Okay, the limit as h goes to 0. All right, now we're going to combine the numerators here. So we're going to get 6x. Make sure you distribute the negative 6. Okay, you're distributing negative 6. Make sure you get your sign correct. All right, so since we had a common denominator, we went ahead and smushed together the numerators. Now we're going to keep working on the numerators. We're going to combine like terms. So this will go. All right, now I'll do this a long way and then I'll go back real quick and do it the short way. I think I always say that, and I'm sure sometimes I forget to do that. All right, so it's a top fraction divided by h, so I'm going to change this to multiplication. I'm going to flip this guy. All right, so now we can reduce the h's. And if it wasn't clear at the very beginning, the reason why we did all this simplification was because it was an indeterminate form up here. So we had to collapse all this, and then we try again to plug in. So when we plug in, we let h be 0. We get x times x in the bottom, which is going to be negative 6 over x squared is the derivative. Okay, gang, just remember that I'm going to ask you guys to go farther with this on the test. So, like, for instance, the battery's going, so I know it's going to cut me off. But this was the original function. You guys got this is the derivative. No, not second derivative. Okay, you guys got this is the derivative. So I'm going to give you a point, something like maybe 2, 3, and then find the tangent line at this point. Right, so you'd have to plug the 2 into the function. So it's negative 6 over 4, which is negative 3/2. And that gives you the slope at the point. Slope at the point, all right hand, 2, 3. Right, and then you'd have to go ahead and calculate the tangent line. So y is 3, m is 2, y is 3, m is negative 3 over 2, x is 2, move the 3 to the other side, so b is 6, which means y equals to negative 3/2 x plus 6. So just I just added this extra step at the end. Just try to remember you're going to need to go like all the way by finding the tangent line. Okay, gang, I'll catch you. Bye-bye.